Here's a 2019 Subaru Legacy Sport, 55,000 mile 200 with the clean Carfax in black. Nice locally owned vehicle here. The sport package on this Legacy gives a nice black on black kind of look. I'll show you some of the highlights. One thing, you get a smoked headlight pod with high intensity headlamps, blacked out body colored grille, and we do have the LED fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. Let's come around to the side. You get the blacked out pocketed brushed aluminum faced sport wheel. Tires are like new, and you also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, doing the used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. We got leather bolstered gray, light gray cloth inserted bucket seats with console in between with an automatic floor shifter, and otherwise gray on gray interior, but they do two-tone it to break up some of the monotony. And then in here, see, we got the books and we got our used car check that I spoke of. Then what I'd like to show you is it looks like we put all new tires on this vehicle. We also might have put new front brake pads on the front. You got about 70% on the back, so you will not have to spend any money on normal wear and tear items shortly after purchase of any of our vehicles. We do completely go over them with an oil change, state inspection, and typically, like in this car, swap out the wearables. Looking in the back, ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. We also got some power supplies there in the back of the console. Help keep your rear occupants comfortable and connected. Say all the tires new and match. Come around to the back. See the Subaru all-wheel drive Legacy badging. Sport also gives you this deck lip spoiler, which is a nice touch. Pop the trunk here so you can see. Spacious trunk, does have the cargo cover here, which is nice, and underneath the felt floor you have a little foam insert, and underneath that you have your tires, so everything you need in the back, and nice big spacious trunk. Again, all the tires match. Wheels are in good shape. It's a clean interior, no rips, tears, or stains. As you can see, it looks good in there. Smells good in there right now. And then you can see full power seat on the driver's side. Also classic positioning of your windows, your locks, and your mirrors. And we always do promise 2 sets of keys. I have one with me for the sake of this video. See, it does have the keyless entry proximity style key. Let's go ahead and hop in. Foot on the brake, start it up. While it's warming up, I'll show you, we always keep a copy of the Carfax here on the dash. No accidents or damage, 2 owners. 55,368 on the miles. Over here we got all your safety gear. We got a button here for your your trunk release. Also got your dimmer for your interiors. Got your ability to turn off your traction control, your blind spot monitoring. You can see the Subaru logo in the mirror glass there. Lane departure and your forward collision. We also got on the steering wheel your audio controls, your Bluetooth hands-free, and then this is your radar cruise where you can set your distance, your lane departure, your distance to approach, and then your radar cruise. So essentially the vehicle will automatically brake you if you get too close to the car in front of you based off of the distance that you select, either closer or far away depending on sensitivity. Also AM FM satellite radio and a big touch screen. Does have dual climate control here, as you can see, and we got the kick down to low, so the air's blowing nice and cold. You also see it does have heated driver and heated passenger seats, so it's got all the gear you would want. It does have an electronic parking brake, descent control, and the ability to select any of the gears of the transmission, tapping left and right there. 2 cup holders. Down here we got all your connectivity. You can see auxiliary, 2 USBs, another 12 volt power supply. Another 12 volt power supply in there. LED map lights. Have the compass, as you can see there, and we also got your universal home link below. LED map lights on your visors, driver and passenger. So very well equipped. Sport is not void of options. It's got a good bit of stuff on it. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Should be your tried and true 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder engine, Boxster 4-cylinder engine. That is what we got. Subaru's been using this for a long, long time. Very reliable, tried and true engine. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Well maintained by the previous owner. Brand new inspection sticker. New oil change. Let's go ahead and turn the car off, get in the last portion of the video. Just to recap, new tires, new front brakes, 2-owner clean Carfax vehicle. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Got a little bit of sap damage on the hood. You know, very common, you know, bird waste, sap damage, whatever you want to say. Just into the clear. Couple little chips here on the sail panel. Other than that, a few little chips in the middle of the door. Another one here, upper part of the door. We actually touched up a scratch right here. Minor little scratch back here. Scratches on the deck lid here, just some minor ones that we've touched up. A few little pit marks here as well. Bumper and tailgate look good. Roof line looks good. Like I said, just a couple little spots of stone chips or a little bit of bird droppings there, which all cars have that. It just, when they're really polished like this, you can see them a little better. But no dings or dents. It's very clean that way. Just a couple little stone chips and bug damage here on the front. Like I say, very common. Quickly pan across, and like I say, on the hood, I'll try to get close, but you can just see a couple little stone chips, a couple little sap or bug marks there. But all in all, guys, nice vehicle. Does still have a little bit of the powertrain warranty transferable from Subaru to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And, of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.